Hey everyone, I'm Carly Ann, if you haven't seen my face before, from Carly Ann Creates. And my boxes just came in for How to Draw Adorable, and I wanted to unbox them. I've been waiting all day because my kids were here all day and I didn't want to open them because my kids will take my boxes and my books. So I'm really nervous. I haven't seen the books yet, so I'm going to open them now and we'll take a look and see how they're looking. Thanks for joining me, everyone that's here. If you have any questions, go ahead and I'll try and do my best to answer them. And I'm going to figure out how to do this live video thing. Okay, here we go. We're flipping the camera. I am so nervous right now and also excited. All of the feels. Okay. Hey, everyone. Thanks for coming. Okay. A lot harder than it looks to open one-handed without breaking any books. The delivery guy who gave this to me this morning was really, really adorable as well. He was so sweet and told me he wanted to get a book for his wife. It was really cute. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Oh, look, they face both ways. Oh my God, they're so cute. Here we go. All right, we're gonna take this over to the table. We'll take a look. Don't mind the mess. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Thanks, everyone. We're just gonna take a look here at my book. I have not seen the actual physical copies yet. I got 500 of these this morning for the Kickstarter, and this is my first time looking at them. And okay, there we go. Ta-da! Okay. So it is 160 pages, so you can see the thickness there. And I made really cute little hearts for the interior, and it's so cute. Okay, we're gonna be saying that a lot. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Okay, so here we go. A little sneak peek at the book. I dedicated it to my kids and asked them not to eat my book. All right, here we go. So, okay, I think it's supposed to be able, so when we get to a section where there's practice sheets, should be able to lay it flat and be able to work on it and draw on it. We're gonna have to test those out. So this first section, we have a little intro, drawings of my kids, yay, exciting! And then I break down the meaning of cute. You can see every single tip in here I have illustrated. And then each section also has a little practice section. The color turned out really nice. I'm really happy with this. Here's your practice sheets. These are gonna be also in the workbook. So if you guys got an ebook for the Kickstarter, the workbook will have these in there. So that way you can print or work digitally. Yay. Let's see. Proportions. And then some of the practice pages I did like this, so you have like a little drawing prompt. Yay. All right, let's see what else we got. We got cute stuff, proportions, how to make kids look like kids or to make them look like adults, whichever way you want to go. More cute secrets and coloring and storytelling. I should sit down, but I'm too nervous. Oh, and then I have a section here on design. I haven't shown a lot of this content in the Instagram posts, but stuff like making something huge, medium, small. How to do, oh, this is the section on your own cute style. Different styles of cute. Big illustrations. Ugh. I wasn't worried. I was a little worried that it was going to be too small, but I actually do think this is the perfect size. And then I have a section here on expressions. All the main ones. Oh my God, it's so cute. Hi, everybody. Okay. And the reference pages. This one I think is really, really fun. So I did complex emotions. So what happens when you combine like happy with sad, what that looks like to get a little bit more complex like emotions, poses. And then I haven't figured out how to show this on Instagram yet, which is why it's in the book, but sort of how you can show different emotions with really simple stick figures by understanding like anger is more sharp and sad is more turned down and stuff like that. So that's in the poses section here. I'm so nervous, guys. Okay, we're okay. And then here we go. Last section, I have a little section on animals at the end, as well as doing anything cute. Here we go. How to make a character out of anything. I wonder if I should have just showed you guys everything, but I did. Okay, I hope that's all right. Here we go. Oh, it turned out so cute. I'm so happy with this. What do you guys think? Do you like it? It's on Kickstarter right now. It's the last week. Thank you for asking. I have a link in my bio if you guys want to get it. I've had a couple people ask. I'm going to try and switch over here so I can see my face again. I've had a couple people ask why they should get it on Kickstarter versus waiting. And I think really the thing is that on the Kickstarter, you're going to get the workbook with it. And we just unlocked for 15K the stretch goal to get an additional, I was going to do 10 pages for the workbook, but I ended up doing 20. So that way there's an extra work pages. I'm going to do a small lesson on like perspective for cubes and spheres and triangles, and then also more reference pages that aren't in the book will go in that 20 pages of the workbook for Kickstarter backers, and that'll be exclusive. That extra 20 pages will be exclusive. The other bit of the workbook will still be available because again, if you get the ebook, you can't draw with the practice sheets. So I wanted to make sure there was a way for people to do that. I'm so excited. Okay. Also, I am hoping that I can do some videos this next week, maybe doing some lessons. I lost my voice this last week, so it's been hard. It will be available online. The book will be available after the Kickstarter on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and indie bookstores, and also my website. And then also the workbook will be available for purchase on my website. Does anyone else, if anyone else has questions, go ahead and put it in the chat there and I'll try and answer them. I want to talk a little bit about my publishers. So I'm working with an indie publisher. They're called Girl Friday Productions, and they've been amazing. So they're handling most of the shipping and dealing with the bookstores and storage and that kind of stuff. So what I got today was just my bit of it that I requested, but I can always get more. I'm going to have to start signing these soon. So I'm going to have to do a little bit at a time because that's a lot of boxes. I think that's pretty much it that I wanted to let you guys know. It turned out so cute. I'm so excited. Oh, and you can see the little spot gloss where the ring light hits it. If you guys want, I can also show you. I had, before, I gotten like a little cover test, and this is what the cover test looks like, which is pretty cool. So the pink part is regular, and then the spot gloss is that like middle section. It's really fun. All right. Okay, I'm going to sign off, but if you guys have any more questions, go ahead and comment and I'll try and answer them. And I'm going to be posting this video and leaving it up, so I'll try and answer it if there's any more in the comments. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you all and all the excitement. It was really exciting hitting our funding goal on the first day. But what was even more exciting was everyone that like DM'd me and was like, I'm so excited. So thank you guys. Bye.